ActivInspire makes it easy to add and customize the Spotlight tool to specific pages of your flip chart. Begin by going to your property browser. If your browsers are not visible, go to View, then Browsers. Select any blank space on your flip chart page and expand the Tools menu. Expand the Page Tools drop-down menu. As before is the default for all pages. Select Revealer Tool or Spotlight Tool to activate that tool for this specific page. For this instance, let's choose Spotlight Tool. From the Spotlight Mode drop-down menu, you can choose which style of spotlight you prefer. For this example, let's choose Square Spotlight. There's one more step for the Spotlight tool to be isolated to page 2 of our flip chart, and that's to return to pages 1 and 3 and change the Page Tools drop-down to Tools Off. Finally, as we scroll through, you can see that the Spotlight tool is isolated to exactly where we need it.